This is Vicky, aka also known as Victoria. She's the mommy of the bunch. She has 8 little kids all over the place.
Who's that eating the egg?
That looks like
Right in front of you.
Leilani.
Um,
Is it?
yeah, it is.
Yes, it is Leilani.
Where's Polly?
And that is Tinky. And that is Polly right here. Hey, itching. Hey, whoself. And a Lola. And a Lucas. He the bully of the bunch. And there is the King and Diego. Diego is the youngest of the bunch. Lele is the wisest of the bunch. More to come from a Cockatiel land. Here is their whole cage. Big cage for all 10 of them. So they can be nice and happy. And they have plenty of toys. Oh, there's Diego being happy. He loves to sing. He's a little camera shy. This is the first time he's on camera.
He's getting ready to get somewhere. Uh-oh, he's gonna bully. Here we go.
Hi, Vicky.